chasing you since the armory.
Well, I thought we'd try out the far north today.
Can we talk about something first?
Yeah, sure. If you can catch me. You know what? I'm just gonna say it. I have a really good feeling about today, Astrid.
You say that every time we go searching for new dragons. Hiccup, while we have a second, I wanted to talk to you about...
Oh, look. You see it? There's definitely some movement up ahead. Long neck, large head, behind that rock formation.
Yeah, anyway, I wanted to tell you. Ugh. Hiccup, those guys are mutton heads. But you have to admit, we've visited every island, every sea stack, and every rock in the archipelago twice. And we haven't spotted a new dragon in a long time.
This can't be all there is. There has to be something more out there.
What if there isn't, Hiccup? What if we're done? What if the search is over?
It can't be.
Well, it's over for me. I've been trying to tell you. Stormfly and I, we're joining the Burke Guard.
Oh, yeah. That's great. I'm happy for you guys.
Look, maybe you should give some thought to what's next for you and Toothless.
Wait a minute. For how long? This fog really gives Mealug the willies.
He has a point. We can't wait around here forever.
Well, we can't just leave Johann's treasures here either. Dagger will steal them.
And use the profits to build a new armada.
Not if we...
Everybody's breakfast. We're gonna live!
Astrid, no!
Most of us are gonna live!
Thanks, Hiccup.
Pardon me.
Why are you staring at that ship?
Because I'm thinking of checking it out.
The Reaper? The ship Johann warned us about?
Exactly. A ship covered with booby traps from stem to stern. I'm thinking, what is on there they don't want people to find?
Forget about us! Go after him!
What are you waiting for?
Are you guys sure you'll be okay?
We're fine! Go!
It's starting to freeze shut.
Don't get our hopes up.
Well, then we should work fast to find this snow wraith. Because we're not leaving until we do.
Let's split up so we can cover more ground.
Good idea. Dragon call if you come across anything.
Quick, Cookfang!
Round! And fire back!
Fire back where? We can't see it!
Ducks. Yes, that's exactly what we need to be.
Excuse me?
What is our advantage to confuse it? Then, whilst distracted, we'll net it and get that tooth.
And you're sure it will work? Of course not. Seems like the farther we go in, the worse it gets.
Hiccup!
Hiccup, is that...
Yeah, it is. Everybody, fly to the light.
Yes.
It's incredible.
I know, right? We made it, Hiccup! We made it!
God.
You were right, Hiccup. There's so much more out here. And it's beautiful.
And this is only the beginning, Astrid. Who knows what we'll find out here? Astrid, wake up. Do you hear that?
What? I don't hear anything.
Exactly. It's gone. The sound is gone.
So are the dragons. All
How far do you think he's gonna get before he realizes?
Hard to say. He seemed pretty committed.
No! No, you're not! I will take your other leg!
No way, Hiccup. You are not leaving us alone.
We're just...
Hiccup, it's coming for you!
I wanted to say I'm sorry for getting you all into this. If you want to turn back...
Are you kidding?
No way!
This...
One thing we need to do, though.
I'm all ears.
We need an island. Our own island.
Astrid's right, Hiccup. We're way too far out to travel back and forth to Burke.
What we need is a base of operations.
Exactly, but...
This looks pretty good.
Those cliffs could work. Good sight lines, easily defendable.
The location.
I know, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop you there. Ugh.
Okay, fine. Let's just check this out so we can all go back to sleep. Okay, now let's talk outpost.
Since you brought it up, I've been working on my designs. We'll set up lookout posts with interlocking fields of fire and...
Never get any.
What are you up to?
Nothing. Nothing at all. Just trying to keep the troops happy. You know what they say, happy troops are, happy groups? Hey,
What's this?
a diagram of our new outpost. I got the idea from Smidvarg. So see...
I'd have to swap clothes with her.
Yeah, but you guys are exactly,
Don't go there.
That ties him without her staff.
Great! Now what? Or Bone Crusher over here isn't afraid of anything.
Oh, Astrid class.
Hiccup, we have a problem. A huge problem.
Dagger?
Worse.
What could possibly be worse than Dagger?
Gustav.
Gustav!
Wait a minute. Why do I have to watch him?
I would do it, but I'm making some just major breakthroughs with the Dragon Eye.
So?
Well, I did promise him that when the time was right, I would train him to be a dragon rider. But I just didn't think that said time would be today.
Well, what am I supposed to do with him in the meantime?
I don't know, just keep him occupied.
Great. So I'm a babysitter.
Babysitter. No, I mean, come on, he's 16. How much trouble could he possibly be? Smidvarg, what is happening?
Hey, Hiccup! Did you know they could do this? Awesome!
Please? I just need more time.
Fine! Gustav! Arena! Now!
Please let us back you up out there.
Dagger was very clear. I have to come alone. We don't know what he'll do to Gustav if I don't follow his demands to the letter. No, we can't risk it. I'll be careful. I promise.
Please tell me we're not giving them the island.
Actually, we are. We are giving them the island.
What?
First of all,
The official royal brush clearer. We don't want Thorstenton burning down, after all.
Or do we?
I'm not clearing brush for you two. I'm not clearing anything for you two.
Come on, Astrid.
Oh, you'll do it. And you'll... Oh, Hiccup. You are our new stable boy.
Stable boy?
Come on, Hiccup.
So,
When they enter the room.
What are you in for?
Funny. Exactly how long are you gonna let this go on? Have you seen all those fireworms?
yeah, Hiccup. The migration is picking up steam. She does not deal well with prison food.
All right. I'll talk to them. I'm sure I can get this all straightened out. Experiment over. We are getting out there and stopping them before there's nothing left of this island.
Finally. These Rumblehorn attacks are getting out of hand. We have to do something.
Okay, then. First thing,
You search the eastern coastline, rough, tough. You have the.
I can see straight to the horizon.
That should definitely make it harder for anyone to sneak up on us. Now, I wonder how the twins' lookout tower's coming along.
I can only imagine.
Hiccup, these guys are out of control. We have to get them back to their island.
There might be a problem with that.
Dragon Rider?
Not good. Not good at all.
No, it isn't. And we need to find out who it is.
Thinking about this rogue Dragon Rider.
Dagger.
It makes sense. If Dagger has a dragon and is attacking ships, then who's to say we won't be next?
Hiccup!
Actually, thinking if we find the dragon, we find the rider. And I have a pretty good idea of how we can find the dragon. Smoke!
A campfire!
this dragon builds campfires?
Give me the twin serve a purpose speech again, quickly.
Yeah, I've never heard that. I've only heard the twins are muttonhead speech, which is also very good.
Having Heather back, huh? She's so, I don't know, intense, hardcore. I love it.
Yeah, it's great. She's definitely grown up since the last time we saw her.
Hiccup, it's been 3 years. We were just kids. We've all grown up.
Yeah, but she was so sweet, and now she's so, I don't know.
Edgy? What's wrong with that? I like it.
Astrid, there's edgy, and then there's destroying ships, which I still need to ask her about.
Well, do me a favor and wait until after I ask her about her battle axe. I want her to
Uh,
See? Hardcore.
I don't suppose you want to talk to her, do you, bud?
Astrid, it was nice having a friend again.
Let's go, girl.
Hey, I know you guys got pretty close. I'm sorry you're losing a friend.
But I still have you. What are you planning on doing here?
Jumping? Unless someone has a better idea?
Ugh, boys. Is that?
That sounded like a dragon in distress.
Guys, something about that call seems strangely familiar. Not good familiar, bad familiar.
Nice work.
Uh-huh.
Historic.
I know, right?
And the stinger webbing actually inspired me to make a few changes on a little something I've been working on.
If you say Dragonfly 2, I'm locking you up.
Oh, no.
This was supposed to be a drill. Do you have to turn it into a game?
Don't we always?
Fair point.
'Twas once.
Look, there's another monstrous nightmare.
That's not just another monstrous nightmare. That's a female monstrous nightmare. Might want to tread lightly. He's looking a wee bit territorial.
No, not.
Scary idea, huh? That one of our dragons might just one day go back to the wild? You'd never do that to me, would you, bud? I didn't think so.
Come on, if it was gonna happen to anyone, it was gonna be Snotlout. I mean, none of us have to worry. Right? What smells so good?
You giving Meatlug a rub down?
Yeah, with her favorite lingonberry oil. Just letting her know she's appreciated.
How can you be a dragon rider and not ride a dragon?
You're quitting. That's right. I shall be...
They didn't make it.
Hookfang's using the Titan Wing size against him.
He's trying to wear it down.